Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S40, and I'll show you how to enable or disable the Google Fit on this device. So in my case, the Google Fit is turned off at the moment, and now I will activate it. Just press for a while on your main screen, or just to another screen that doesn't matter. For example, like this, for 1 second, and here you will see the home settings. Tap on that, and here just tap on the show Google App Switcher to activate that. And now we will check. So at the moment, as you can see, I enable the Google Fit options. If you wanna turn it off again, just repeat the action, and here tap one more time on the switcher, and as can you see, that's done. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.